Greetings, economics majors. I'm Professor Travis. I'm chair of the department once again this year, and I wanted to just greet you and give you a little bit of information about what's happening for this fall at PLU. You've probably been bombarded with messaging from the administration, but to boil it down briefly, some classes that you are signed up for will be online and some will be blended. The blended ones will have some in-person meetings and some online. This is primarily for the administration to limit the number of people on campus so that we can abide by the pandemic requirements for higher educational institutions. So what I'm reaching out to say is basically that your advisor and myself can be a resource for you to answer questions that you may have. What you should be expecting is each of your professors will be contacting you about how how your class will go. So every class on campus is online for the first week. So you'll hear from your professor for any class in any department about what you're doing for the first week. And then also every class on campus is online after Thanksgiving. And so what you should be getting from your professors as far as online classes, you will be getting access to Sakai and other information. One thing I want to let you know is that our online classes will differ pretty significantly from the spring. And what I mean by that is most of us, excuse me, have been spending all summer learning different formats, different practices, ways to do things so that you can see our faces, different kinds of assignments so that it's not as heavily exam based as usual. So I want to assure you that it should feel smoother than the spring did when we had no pre-planning time to make a switch. I'm going to be, I've also included in this message a link to a letter that comes from the whole Division of Social Sciences and all the chairs. And if you would like to contact me, you can email me at traviskm@plu.edu, and I can either answer your question by email or we can set up a time to video chat in order to answer your questions. So welcome back to fall. Welcome with the caveat that we're doing the best we can given the constraints that we're doing an optimization problem given some constraints. So as economists, you should understand that type of language. But reach out. Let me know if you're having any issues. And I look forward to seeing some of your faces in classes this fall. Bye.